Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're taking a bubble bath. I have been feeling a little overwhelmed between work and other personal things that I had been going through throughout the past week. And I needed a nice, relaxing moment. So I decided to fill my tub up with as many bubbles as possible and enjoy a nice bubble bath. So not only did I run a nice bubble bath, I also poured a nice little glass of some very mild Prosecco, because I'm not really a drinker like that. I'm not really, trying to be laid out in the bathtub. So I just poured a nice little bit of some Prosecco while I just relaxed in the tub and just had a moment to unwind and really try to get my thoughts together. I do like to take healing baths, so I did add some Epsom salt into my bath. I also have some crystals in my bath as well, and I did add a couple rose petals to my bath, but you can't see them in the video because of how dark it is. So I really just wanted to take a moment just to love on myself and clear my mind, because when we get caught up in the hustle and bustle of everything that we have to do throughout the days, it tends to drain us sometimes, and it tends to give us a feeling of just being overwhelmed. I am grateful for everything that is going on in my life. However, those things can sometimes pull me in many different directions all at once. So it's important to just be still in the moments and take a moment for yourself. Now, for any of you who can't take a bath or get in their tub, if you don't have a tub, I know a lot of people may just have showers and things like that. And I hope that you enjoy this version of a shared bath time, while we also say some beautiful affirmations to ourselves, about ourselves, for ourselves. You are kind. You are beautiful. You are abundant. You are magnetic. You can make it happen. If ever it feels like you can't make it, just know that you can. You deserve amazing, beautiful things. You can have amazing, beautiful things. Your worries are gone. You no longer have any fears or doubts about yourself. You are royalty, and you deserve to treat yourself and to be treated as royalty. This is a time where we embrace our lessons, where we embrace our experiences and allow them to grow us and mold us into the best versions of ourselves. There's a lot of healing energy when you combine the elements. I have my candle burning, which represents fire. As I relax in the water, my body comes from the earth. And the more I breathe as I relax, I'm utilizing air. In ritualistic ideologies, taking a bubble bath with candles lit allows for your angels, spirit guides, and spiritual protectors to be able to be more present with you. Spirits can be naturally attracted to water, but sometimes they may lose their way. And this is where the candle that is lit helps to guide them towards you, towards the water. That's why some people love to take bubble baths or spiritual baths or cleansing baths with nothing but candlelight. It is a way to honor yourself, and it's a way to become one with the elements that are on this planet that are helping to keep us connected spiritually. I began to allow myself to release any self-limiting thoughts or self-limiting feelings that I may have had. I allowed myself to be fully present in that moment and enjoy that moment for me and for my mind. Sometimes we need that. I challenge you going forward to begin to take at least an hour a day, 1 hour per day, to just be present with yourself, to remove any negativity, to release any negative energy, and to speak life, healing, abundance back over yourself. If you accept the challenge, then comment down below. Comment, I accept. I appreciate each and every one of you for joining and subscribing, commenting, liking, encouraging, and doing so much to keep this channel afloat. I wanted to share one of my more important and more sacred healing methods with you, which is this bubble bath. So I hope you all are enjoying this shared bubble bath time. It's really moments like this that I really, really enjoy being connected and knowing how to regroup, put myself together, and heal once again. I'm grateful and thankful for everything in my life, and I'm grateful and thankful for everything that is beautiful that is happening for you as well. Be sure to always take time to cleanse and heal and recharge, whether that's physically, mentally, or spiritually. I appreciate you all so much. I hope you enjoy the rest of this video,